Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to verify your LinkedIn account in 2026. Verifying your account helps build trust, confirms your identity, and can make your profile more credible to recruiters, employers, and other LinkedIn members. The verification options available may vary depending on your country and account. Let's get started. First, open the LinkedIn app or go to LinkedIn.com in your web browser and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select *settings and privacy ***. Next, go to the *** account ** or sign in and security ** section. If identity verification is available for your account, you'll see an option such as Verify Your Identity * or Identity Verification *. Click on it to continue. LinkedIn will display the verification methods available to you. Depending on your location, you may be able to verify your identity using a government-issued ID, your work email address, or through one of LinkedIn's trusted verification partners. Choose your preferred verification method and follow the on-screen instructions. If you're using a government-issued ID, you may need to upload clear photos of your ID and, in some cases, complete a quick selfie check. If you're verifying with your work email, enter your company email address and follow the verification link or code sent to that email. After submitting your information, LinkedIn will review your verification request. This process may take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours, depending on the verification method. Once your identity has been successfully verified, you'll receive a confirmation message. And your profile may display a verification badge or verified status if that feature is available in your region. That's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to verify your LinkedIn account in 2026.